Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my second fall look for the year. I think that I want to do a fall challenge, possibly the 7 days of fall, which will just be different eyeshadow looks that you can wear during the fall season, being that it is approaching. So keep watching and you'll see how this look turns out. So I'm going to use my Desert Dusk palette by Huda Beauty. And then the color that I'm going to use is this one. It's called Saffron. So I have my Pro Blending Fluff made by Crown Brush. I like to pack my color on with this brush. So my eyelids are already set with concealer. I already did my full face. So all I have to do is put on my eyeshadow. So all I did was pack this color on. Now I'm going to blend it out. I am going to go in and blend it out with another color, which is this color, Blazing. It's on the same palette. So I'm just going to get a little bit on my brush. Okay, so I do feel like that color is blended out good enough. I'm going to go in now and use another color. I had to test it out first. I decided to go in with All Star, which is off of my Subculture palette. Okay, so that looks blended out to me. Normally I do a cut crease, but today I think I'm gonna do something different. I actually just want to add a darker color and blend that out and leave that. So I'm going to use, back in my Subculture palette, Rowdy. So I like the way this look came out. It's kind of like a smoky eye with different colors. I am going to go in with my Trophy Wife like always because I'm obsessed with it. And then I have a mini fan from Crown Brush. So I'm going to put some right here on my brow bone. Perfect. So now I'm going to do my lashes and clean up a little bit, so I'll be back. So I am all done. I did a nude lippy. I tried a lippy, a darker one, but I did not like the way that it looked with this eyeshadow. I didn't do a wing, but I love the way this look went, so yeah. This is my second fall look. So I'm super excited. It came out so good, which makes me super happy to continue filming. Like I always say, like, comment, subscribe, you know how that thing goes, and I'm off this.